For over 20 years, window graphic technology has been selling big from the outside of the most spectacular buildings on the most valuable real estate in the world. We have all seen these big, beautiful images from Las Vegas to Disney World to Times Square. More recently, the features and benefits of thermal film have been incorporated into this technology to produce images that not only sell big from the outside, but at the same time are invisible from the inside, and in addition produce big energy savings while preventing the sun's rays from damaging furniture, fixtures, and inventory. Unfortunately, this form of big and beautiful window and building facade marketing and energy savings has been affordable for only those companies and brands with the biggest marketing budgets until now. My name's Bob Sill, and I'm here today speaking for my partner Chris Suchko and for everyone at Transvision Window Marketing with some really good news. Now, due to our process and to paradigm technology shifts in digital photography, design, communications, printing, solvents, laminates, adhesives, installation processes, Transvision Window Marketing can transvision your windows from this to this to this to anything you want it to be, creating virtually any image on any window, regardless of zoning or budget. Transvision window marketing images are big. They create attention. They can be as big as your biggest window or window combination, and they can be seen from across the street or across the parking lot. They're beautiful. They attract customers. The Transvision digital printing process can reproduce any image to glossy magazine quality. They set you apart. They differentiate your store and your brand. No matter the condition or limitations of your building's exterior, as can be seen here, they can set you apart and in most cases do not conflict with your existing sign program or zoning ordinances. And we've talked to all kinds of zoning people in all kinds of situations, and this product works. They identify your location immediately. They identify your location with style. They identify your location through image transfer. If you're also running television in your mixed marketing program, if you have print, if you're on the internet, we can take virtually any image that you use in any of your other marketing and apply it to the front of your window so people know immediately it's your location. They establish your brand. Transvision Windows can tell your entire story in an instant. They call to action. They make you money. Transvision window marketing images are custom created to bring customers in the door and to make and save your company money 24/7. Now, when we talk about saving you money, Transvision products are green. They are invisible from the inside, yet they reflect the sun's rays, reducing cooling costs, reducing damage to your decor, furniture, and inventory, so they literally and actually pay for themselves and then continue to go on and save you money year after year. Here's an example of a project that we did for a client in Western Pennsylvania named Vasco Dodge. The owner, Steve Vasco, has said, "Not only did Transvision dramatically increase our visibility and impulse traffic, but at the same time, these windows have paid for themselves over the last 3 years through energy savings on an average of 12% per year. In addition, Transvision images provide privacy and comfort for those inside. They are zoning restriction friendly as discussed. They can be applied on either the inside or the outside of your windows. They are changeable and removable, and they will not harm your windows in any way. And with the addition of accent lighting, they're visible 24/7. Here's another client that we've done some work for named Jack's Fitness. Jack's is in a strip center and is a small fitness operation in Belle Vernon, Pennsylvania. Jack says, "My Transvision window graphics save me and make me money." You can read Jack's quote here below, but Jack goes on to discuss the whole privacy issue and how his customers were very happy and increased their business and their visitations dramatically because they had the privacy of being able to see out while no one could see in while they were performing their aerobic conditioning. According to the U.S. Small Business Administration, on-premise signage is the most cost-effective advertising as expressed in cost per thousand impressions. We take a look at radio, television, newspaper, outdoor advertising, and when you compare them all, on-premise signage is by far and away the most cost-effective. When it comes to impulse stopping, which is now a key factor in all of our marketing considerations today, impulse stop percentages are very important to shopping centers, convenience markets, discount club and warehouse stores, fast food restaurants, sit-down restaurants, service stations, supermarkets, and just about every company that markets from the outside of their building. Today, you have to consider impulse stopping and how you can get customers that are walking by to come into your location, and that's what Transvision window marketing is all about. Now, Transvision window marketing is a turnkey program, and we have programs that go from fixed branding, which is a one-time application that can stay up as long as 5 years, which tells your story. Or you can go to a special events program, which might be 3 different applications in a given year. Or, of course, you can go to a seasonal marketing and annual branding and marketing program, and that might be 3 different applications every year. We can create customized programs that will fit within your budget and probably within your existing budget. The Transvision process is turnkey, and that's one of the unique parts of what we do. The process works like this. First, we review your existing branding and marketing strategy. Second, we evaluate your window marketing goals and opportunities that exist. Then we present window marketing strategies for your approval in the form of design. Next, we measure and conduct the window site survey. We then produce and print your film in our facilities. We're now ready to install or arrange for the installation through our network of installers on the windows. So from start to finish, we can have your windows selling your products and saving you energy in as little as 14 days from our final strategic meeting and approval, customized and on or under your budget. Because we do everything in-house, we also take single source responsibility for the entire project. So at the end of the day, we only get paid when we do it right. The Transvision pricing is simple. It can be done a la carte, where we produce the creative for you, the production and the printing and the installation, and costs range anywhere from $8 to $14 per square foot. If you do an annualized program, you can save anywhere from $2 to $4 over an existing one-time application. And our terms are simple as well. We just ask for 10% design deposit once we've determined the price of the project as you want to move forward. Then when we're ready to go to production, we ask for 40%. And then you do not pay us the 50% balance of the project until it's done, it's up, and you like what you see. And only then do you pay us the final balance on the job. The process is as simple as taking a digital photograph of the outside of your building. Then go to our website at transvisionmarketing.com, and there you'll find instructions on how to upload the picture. After that, myself or Chris Suchko will give you a call, and we can start the process immediately of having your business selling big from the outside and saving big on the inside with Transvision window marketing products. Thanks very much for your time.